like,
250.
Oh yeah.
it's gonna
How's
be
it gonna be
easier.
as well, man? Don't
They're
worry.
in for a ride.
But maybe they're
Do you
from
reckon they
east.
US East or something?
They're from east.
Wow. Holy shit.
You're gonna go
We have
wrecked.
to find them all.
Well, we might need to plan East to make it fair.
Oh, that's gonna be bad for me.
But I mean, look, it's gonna suck
That's
for
pretty.
us. But
Like,
it's
I'm gonna
sucking
be
for
on
them right now.
350 on East or 370 or something, man.
2 rivers on top of the warehouse. Look, there guys, 3 of them there.
Falling back.
I'm dropping down to
Head tire.
behind you, Ingy.
Receiver on me.
Die, sucker.
Oh wow. Need to Torrents
Tyrant
down. They're using fucking pounce. Okay, this might be easy.
Yeah, these guys got like 16 arrows each, man. Reaver inside his tag, like.
They're using choking haze and pounce.
Yeah.
He's one here.
Like, they probably
Still
haven't even
there.
got the kits.
Not sure.
Oh. Have fun,
Probably gonna
boys.
jump in. Sentinel.
Using Swifty here.
Yep.
Text him. I missed.
I missed
Not even
my
bother.
shit.
He's dead before he could do anything.
Receiver climbing in tower.
I actually could have sworn I'd seen Wrath on US servers and he was actually good. But maybe it's someone else's. You know. Is he coming on you? Can you hear him?
He's still in the house behind us now, Deceiver.
Yeah.
Tyrant over there.
There's one up of us. Just
Reaver,
be careful
Reaver.
getting split on the stage. Tap with that ball.
If we don't win this 30-0,
Tyrant dead.
it'd be pretty disappointing.
I think we'll win.
Receiver on top of the roof.
I think
still.
we'll beat them on 400 pings.
Yeah, no problem. Jumping on the bridge.
Yeah, that guy's nearly dead underneath.
Deceiver here, somewhere.
You want human bomb.
Tyrant
charging
coming.
it.
He's getting out of the... He's still in the here.
Come back here, come back
Jeremy.
here. There's 2 on you.
Nice.
Rick!
Heal up,
King is so
man.
good,
Heal
man.
up. Heal up.
Yeah, I'm going under the bridge.
Okay. 2 of them on top of you. Watch out. Oh, it's just close. It's alright, it's alright.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think I'll have it back
Real
by the
one's
time we
climbing
engage.
center tower. Attack him. He's on the left side now.
Yeah. Can we do that though with private games?
No, we can't. Three on top of the warehouse.
Volley fire!
Given that we're gonna easily beat them, I don't mind if we like, you know, just replay one. I'm nearly dead. Tyrant's on me.
I'm bounced.
That's one less.
Thanks, guys.
We're still alive.
I can't get you.
I'm not gonna push it because I'm alive. Ish.
Yeah, I'm watching you.
Save us somewhere inside that building. Either top or down bottom.
Lucky.
Jump. Deceiver, he's on top of the cage.
Yeah, he's still there. He jumps to the backside building.
I need to go heal
Oh, he's on
again.
the cage.
Reaver,
fuck's sake.
Reaver on the first floor in the
Someone
warehouse.
cover me while I go heal under here.
Okay, I'll come.
Go for it, go for it, go for it.
Right. I'll put a volley on you.
Jeez. Okay.
Tyrant on the right. Deceiver
Reaver,
on the right.
Reaver
Oh,
climbed the warehouse.
Sentinel
Wow.
dead. Yep. Deceiver's dead too.
Correct.
I want to get up on this roof.
Behind us, Tyrant on the right side. He's one shot.
Dead.
Archers!
a couple guys on the center tower. Try and push them off.
On me, on me,
Gotcha,
on me.
mate.
I'm gonna go for a heal.
Oh!
Tyrant incoming, watch out.
Oh shit, I didn't see that at all. Finish off this deceiver.
Who's next?
Alright. I'm gonna heal on the right side.
Alright, I'm watching it.
Yeah.
Put a volley up top. In the
Watch
mud.
out behind you.
Fire!
Yep, got it.
Incoming. I lied, sorry, my bad.
Attack.
Healing down below.
On the roof, Tyrant, cage building. Ten of dead.
Incoming jump. Incoming jump.
Head. Reaver inside.
Reaver inside, yeah. Back.
That's one less of the bastards.
Looks like we
On the
got
roof
one
now.
behind us.
Just clear him off the roof.
Up on the roof.
I believe.
Bully!
Sentinel incoming.
Yeah, I'll beat him.
That was a little too brutal.
Tyrant
charging,
on the
middle.
top, and charging. He's underneath now. He's still underneath.
Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Alright, I was gonna go for the
Oh, I need ammo.
Charging, coming middle.
wow, 2 more. Happy heals, boys.
Let's get one kill and then do nothing. Alright, who's in the cage? Tyrant in the cage. Tyrant on the right side too. He just dropped down. Hit him.
In a cage. One on top of the middle building.
Tyrant charging from the right side. He failed. He gave up on life. That turret's
Healing under the bridge.
The other one's underneath, I think. Oh, there he goes.
GG.
30-0. Nice.
Just focus one guy, guys, and we win.
Oh man, this is gonna be so hard, dude.
By the
I'm
way,
gonna
take
kill one guy.
screenshots of every half and every finish round. We need to upload them later.
Hey,
I should have a full recording of it, so it should be
Ah, yeah,
fine.
anyway, all good then. Alright, go
Hopefully I
on,
did it
Tyrant.
right.
well, 30-0.
Oh, they're gonna be frustrated with Anti's fucking Sentinel now, man.
Can't
Oh,
touch that
Well,
shit.
look, I mean,
Scouts though, so they have to be careful.
wait, so it,
If they're warbow, yeah.
yeah, they got this guy. I'll try
Otherwise,
to knock
what?
him
They
out as
just
much as I
can't
can.
eat you because they're anti you.
Alright, I'll take them at the town. Okay.
They
Can't
bridge.
see them on the bridge. Can't see
They're
them.
not bridge.
Okay.
No, they are
They're
green
inside the
building,
house,
green
they're
building.
inside. There is a mine by
Oh,
the door.
they're in the
watch
house,
out.
they're in the
He's
house.
got me.
I'll probably be able to grenade the inside. Oh, headshot.
Alright, smoke's going in at the
Okay,
front.
I'm gonna hit them with shockwave.
Great.
Charging inside the building now.
I took the hunter out and the grenade.
I got that guy anti.
Alright.
Oh wow, I died.
Inside the house, scout.
He's dead.
Done.
Okay, I need food.
That'd be food, mate.
That was stupid. Man.
I'll take two actually.
Actually, yeah, it's
Oh,
not.
oh
I
shit.
I should have saved that. My
Yeah,
bad.
it should.
No, no problem. I'll regen a bit.
Not fully.
I was at 40 HP.
Yeah, you need
Oh
to,
fuck,
man.
they're inside the cage.
I'll charge through. Take him iron off.
Alright, smoking
I
in.
should be able to pick one off straight away. Yeah, I picked one. Picked one, he's dead. Just leave this guy to me.
Alright.
I'm out.
Sorry, guys. It's such an awkward
Don't
place to
apologize, man. Everything's fine. They're sitting in weird spots that we don't expect. I'll leave this one.
Nah, I just...
The Saber is so squishy, man. It's so annoying.
Anyone need food? I've got.
Another for the rest you live.
can't see them in
They
the side of them.
could be
Totems,
by
totems.
the door. Or totems.
Yeah,
Oh, they're at the back corner in front?
Yep.
No. Yeah.
Far corner
Fuck.
totems.
I almost saved that body just in case that happened.
Let me just get up. Let me just set
Yeah,
up,
yeah, I'm
please.
waiting for you guys, no problem.
I'm in
Alright, smoke's going in.
Charging.
Probably throw a grenade.
I'm going in now.
Grenade wasted.
Ah.
Got the scout.
I massively grenaded everyone. Got the scout.
I'm out.
I'll finish him.
Scout is 2 feet low in the corner.
I
by
got
me.
a hit.
Double puncture kill, lol.
Nice.
Oh yeah,
Right here,
if
come,
you
come,
need it,
come.
I can
got one.
regenerate.
It was 4 corpses, all full. There's one for you, Injing.
That's right. Oh
No,
yeah.
eat it, man. I'm full.
Right.
Okay. Probably... Okay, I don't see them yet.
I heard a grenade. I think
okay,
they're in the
yeah.
corner.
Far right
Where?
corner from us. Not
Yep,
sure
I see
what that
them.
one's called.
Just wait 1 second, guys.
Volley's out, waiting for it to go down.
Yeah,
I
just
will
wait for
next
that and then
anyway.
I'll go.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
Put a grenade in the
Recharging.
hole.
Got the scout.
I got someone.
Scout dead.
They knocked me out.
On the alchemist.
Don't even
Nice
need blast body.
execution. How many of those did you buy, Con?
I got 3.
Executions. Hey,
I think actually I got 4.
did ya?
Guys,
Alright,
Yeah,
they're
everything
in the
except
greenhouse again.
Yeah, they were on sale 50% off, so.
Yeah, I got 2. Alright, smoke's in. Maybe
These
that's
guys don't
charging.
even dodge grenades. This is funny.
I'm out. Back in.
Alright,
Alright, I gotta get out.
So,
I'm gonna reposition with the next.
Yeah, we
6.
might. I got smoke in 2 seconds.
Charging 5.
Smoke's going down.
Alright,
Nice.
I got the scout.
I'm dead.
He's dead, I think. It's all good. Shot
Alright.
grenade.
That shit I made. My
I
bad.
got a punch up. I'll finish him. There we go.
Nice, 13
One for you,
HP.
Con.
Anyone need food? I'm good.
Confident.
Num num num.
3
He's
deaths.
charging.
Oh,
Mid
no.
bridge, I'm tagged. I need to hide.
My camera did charge.
No, give me a
Whatever.
second. I'm still,
Yeah,
still
yeah,
tagged.
just looking around.
Yeah, they tried to volley me. Alright, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go. So they all drop.
They dropped
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, there's a scout in the room. Get these guys there.
Alchemist dead.
Ah,
The scout is down by the healing station
it.
now.
that sucks.
I'm
Thought
not
I'd
used
use
to
it.
it. If anyone needs food, I've got it. Come take it.
I'll take it, yeah. Thank you.
Alright, don't see them. Okay, house over here. I can probably sneak grab one. Oh no, fuck, I missed.
Roll it out. I'm charging through
I'm
the
out,
house
I'm
now.
out. I don't have anything. Just
Smoke's
give me a
in the
second, man.
house.
Oh shit, okay. Just gonna nade it.
Oh,
We'll be able to finish this hunter here. Drop
there's
down.
one down below. I'm going up top there with conf.
2 of them are delayed to kill inside the house. Charging through.
Double kick. Double, triple charge.
Oh,
Nice. Alright, I need to eat too.
That was nice.
All good. I don't know how I missed that abduct. Went right through the scout.
First one ever, man.
Man, 300.
Yeah, I
Roll is
know.
wasted, that's nice.
Okay, they're in the far door. They're moving,
Big
they're
door.
moving, they're moving. We can grab them now.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
good
charging
time.
now.
Alright.
We should be able to get
They're
one.
out of position.
I got the out. Huge hit. I'll finish him off with the arm. Okay, Al's gone.
GG.
wait.
Fuck.
Pretty good. Damn that death.
Well, that was a little too rough.